In this page there is a very simple activity done where they have shown taken three containers A, B, C in which plants have been grown by using seeds. Three containers which have three different type of soil. The first container has simple soil, second container is having manure, third container is having fertilizer. When you grow the seeds into them, you will see that the seeds will grow at different rate. Where do you think the seeds will grow very fast? You are right, they will grow easily where there is fertilizer. So farmer also follows the same step. These fertilizers which are added to the soil are very important. How are these fertilizers different? Fertilizers are produced in the factories. Some of the fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate or NPK. N stands for nitrogen, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. The use of manure and fertilizer helps the plants to grow fast. The use of fertilizer in India makes the farmers get a better yield of crops. But excess use of fertilizer should not be done. It makes the soil less fertile. Fertilizers have become a main source of water pollution. When we add extra fertilizer into the soil and the farmer uses water, then this makes the soil polluted. In order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute the fertilizers by organic manure. Therefore, you must have heard about organic food and organic crops, where farmers don't use any chemical fertilizer. The use of manure improves the soil texture as well as the water retaining capacity. The soil becomes more absorbent, it can absorb water easily. Another method of replenishing the soil means making the soil regain its fertility, is crop rotation. Crop rotation means that you don't grow the same crop in the same field every time. Like in this month you grow one crop, then you harvest it after few months, then you will not repeat the same crop, you will grow another crop. So this rotation of crop is mostly done in India by the farmers. It helps to make the soil fertile.